step inside the locomotive shed. The building you're looking at was built for the Snailbeach and District Railways to house 2 steam locomotives. The inspection pit between the rails, workbench and the smoke hoods above you allowed repairs to be carried out on the engines. Opened in 1877, the railway wasn't for passengers. It was built by Henry Dennis, the Snailbeach mine manager, to carry materials for the mines and some goods and parcels. At first, the traffic was mainly coal wagons coming up to the mines and Snailbeach lead smelter. Other vital supplies like timber and equipment were also brought up the line. Lead ore in hopper wagons, similar to the one on the right, and finished lead ingots from the smelter were sent down to Pottsbury. This shed isn't the end of the line. It carried on past here and around the mine site. It had an incline, so coal wagons could be hauled up to the big engine house high on the hillside. Sadly, a few years after the railway opened, the price of lead plummeted and many of the local mines closed, greatly reducing railway traffic. Growing demand for the mineral barite and the opening of Granham's Moor Quarry in 1905 saved the railway from closure. The line now depended on the stone quarry, so when it closed 16 years later, things looked bleak. In 1922, Colonel Stevens bought and repaired the railway. He also bought 3 second-hand locos and kept them here. The line got a boost in 1924 when Callow Hill Stone Quarry opened. Hopper wagons from Callow Hill ran down from the quarry to Pottsbury by gravity. Men riding the wagons controlled the brakes with their feet. The locos were only used to haul the empties back up the hill. By the summer of 1946, all the steam locos were worn out, so a Fordson tractor, like the one here, but with rubber tyres, was hired to haul the empties to the quarry. The locos were stored here until 1950, when they were cut up for scrap. The railway was dismantled in the early 50s and 60s. Luckily, the track around the mine site and the loco shed survived, giving us a glimpse of what this fascinating railway was like.